Cligo Smart Robot Car Kit is a great way to get started with robotics and electronics. Also, it helps to get started with Arduino programming. Cligo Kit comes with sensors, modules, and a screwdriver which you will need to mount a servo motor. Cligo does not require any additional tools for its assembly. The Cligo 2WD chassis is a durable and modular robot platform from SunRobotics. The chassis plates and mounts are cut from high-quality ABS and utilize sensors, controllers, and power. We also provide a user manual and assembly video which gives you proper guidance. Arduino Robot acts as a gateway to design and implement various robotics projects using Arduino, and it will teach you how to have it follow lines, how to control it remotely, and more. This kit doesn't require previous programming or electronics experience. Cligo Smart Robot Car Kit is a great way to get started with robotics, electronics, and Arduino programming.